exercise pedagogic patience with your students. This is it. The first thing is that you must put into practice what is called, a scaffolding. Focus on building a strong foundation for in each topic you are teaching. So it's about scaffolding. And it's a way about coiling. So you must focus on scaffolding. What is scaffolding strategy? On about coiling, do you know that if you're building a bungalow and if there are two engineers, and if you are dyslexic, when we talk about the more what problem here. So there is also a part of English language in mathematics. What about geometry? Trigonometry, so many things are involved in mathematics. So we need to always put at the back of this pedagogic patience. So we must apply the scaffolding strategy. Mathematics, other subjects to me, they are just like bungalows. Other subjects are just like bungalows. But mathematics is like a skyscraper. Now let me ask you this. A wooden foundation, a wooden, you must know what you. So the bungalow or skyscraper. Yeah, because mathematics is like a skyscraper. That is what mathematics. So do you know if you have this at the back of your mind, it's going to do what? It will try to modify how you take mathematics. You need to build a very formidable foundation. For each of the topic, if you are teaching maybe a quadratic equation today, there are some key information that you need to let the students know. For them to be able to grasp, to understand everything about quadratic, there are some key information. I used to be an English language teacher. If I want to teach essay, for example, the first thing that I keep stressing is one of those pillar things. It's one of those foundational things or foundational information. It's about writing an outline. It's about writing an outline, because the outline would give you peace of mind and it will guide you on how you pick up how to express yourself in the essay. So in mathematics too, there are some information, there are some information that are referred to as pillar information that is connected to that topic. So you have to lay the foundation. Then the next thing is that you have to keep building on it. And that is what we call the scaffolding. It's from the pillar to the first floor. Okay, no, not the first floor. That's what they call it. After the foundation has been built, the first floor is for the basement. Okay, I think the basement. Then the first floor, second floor, just like that. So you can take the metaphor of the scaffolding into your mathematics and arithmetic teaching by exercising pedagogic patience. Don't rush these children. Take time to lay the foundation and you build on that foundation one step at a time. So how many now? Three. Yes. Let's begin the this. Then we'll add the final one. The others will continue online. Please, there's something called whatever subject you are teaching. You must do what? You must practice what is called the fact formula and plus what? You add A3. And what is A3? It's still attention. Ask questions.
answer question.
And what? And answer
Question.
and assignment.
Assignment.
Yes. Certainly, honestly, this thing is one of my secrets. I've shared it wherever I go. I've shared it when I was lecturing. That a proprietor, when I went to school, he was on the assembly ground and he was telling them about the fact. This thing is extremely important. Whatever subject you are teaching, always remember the fact. Practice the fact formula. Make sure that your students are focused. Make sure that they are paying attention. Make sure that they are concentrating on whatever you are teaching them. Like I said, that the first principle of effective teaching is what? Attention. Because the attention controls the what? The brain. Wherever anything that you pay attention to, what of the name? Then this one is always again A3. Let them pay attention. Secondly, let the you know that my students know. You know that I'm here, I'm about to teach you, everybody must ask questions. And when you tell them that, how do you ask questions if you don't pay attention? So when you tell them that, look, you know that this is Mr. Dayo. In my class, everybody must talk and everybody must ask a question. You see them?
Thinking.
Yes, thinking, yes. The thinking has to do with their mind, the prefrontal cortex. When we say thinking, do not forget. You know, the prefrontal cortex is the seat of thinking, of reasoning, of imagination, of decision making, of wisdom. Somebody gave us a very powerful Yoruba is it metaphor? Ile Okolade. Only that is the prefrontal cortex. So thinking is part of the prefrontal cortex. Let them think. He said 2 + 2 is 4. Why did he say 2 + 2? That is the thinking. The thinking must be. The thinking will help the students to be following you, whatever you're teaching him or her. So it is about part of formula. Then finally for today, let's talk about the neurochemistry of arithmetic and mathematics. The neurochemistry, finally. So we'll continue from there. Online.
Okay, you later gave us 4 out of the 5 ideas.
Yes.
Alright.
The ideas I have, there are more than 15. I think it should be maximum 20 ideas on how to improve mathematics. But today, let's just treat 5 in depth. So the other one is, let's talk about the neurochemistry.
Neurochemistry.
Yes.
Neurobiology.
It is important that I end with the neurochemistry. Of maths and arithmetic. The neurochemistry. So now let's what is neurochemistry? That do you know that if you have this understanding, it will help you a lot in your maths and arithmetic pedagogy or teaching. That you can use different chemicals. You can knowingly stimulate the release of some chemicals in the students when you're teaching mathematics and arithmetic. There are different types of neurochemicals or chemicals in the brain. How do you use this knowledge to improve mathematical understanding or comprehension? So that is what we're looking at. Now, do you know that at times whenever I'm teaching, one of the ways to easily draw the attention of your learners is to integrate stories. But not ordinary stories, but maths and arithmetic stories. One, okay, integrate maths